Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in an incredible location. Have a look at this view right behind me. We are in Volterra, Tuscany, and we're about to visit together an incredible property. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property was built on the ruins of a 19th century country house, and all of the works have been supervised by a notable Italian architect. The central body of the villa has a traditional countryside home style with exposed stone on the outside, and on the inside we find the traditional wooden beams. Whilst on the two ends of the house we find two sharp cornered towers that feature more of a modern look, and all of the house has several windows overlooking this gorgeous garden and this breathtaking view. The result is a fascinating and charming building with a perfectly balanced mix of old and new features, ensuring continuity between the rustic nature of the original building and the 21st architectural needs of commodity, minimalism and attention to details. In terms of location, Volterra and San Gimignano are about 15 kilometers away. Siena, Bolgheri and Florence are all about 1 hour of distance away. The property is surrounded by an immaculate garden. It is about 8,300 square meters, half of which is fenced with an automated gate. The garden is embellished with green areas with paved walkways, plants and flowers. The property then also has 4.9 hectares of arable land with small portions of woodland totaling about 1 hectare. For private production of olive oil, there are also 2 olive groves totaling about 2 hectares. Just a bit further, next to the olive grove, is an agricultural warehouse, about 135 square meters, currently used as a shelter for vehicles and tools used to take care of gardens and olive trees. Just by the villa, we have this fantastic 13 by 7 meters infinity edge swimming pool. It also has an automatic cover and a heating system. The pool is completely made out of stone, just like all of this paved terrace. All of that is overlooking this breathtaking Tuscan view. Around the villa, there are also several sitting areas ideal to relax in front of this view and enjoy some pleasant meals. Inside, great care has been taken while designing furniture and decors that have been specifically thought for the perfect integration into the building. Because of this, all of the furniture and decors in the house are included in the sale, since they are a fundamental part of the design of the house. Traditional elements like the wooden beams have been perfectly integrated with modern features and high-end finishes. The property is equipped with domotics and heated by an underfloor heating system, and made even cozier by this beautiful fireplace. From the central living space, as we keep going on this side, we get to this lovely dining area with a door into the garden on this side, and right behind me you notice this huge window overlooking the swimming pool. As we go up these stairs, we get to the first floor where we find a little gym corner that could also be easily turned into a bedroom, and right beside it has its bathroom with shower. Through the other side of the living area we get to the rest of the bedrooms. But first have a look at this little office space over here. Right behind there is a laundry area, whilst on this side we get to a large bathroom with shower, perfect to be used by the common spaces. The first bedroom is right here and it has an incredible view right in front. On this side, instead, it has its own bathroom, ensuite. Have a look. The second one, right beside, follows the same style with high ceilings with wooden beams, garden views on this side, and on my right, we have the ensuite bathroom. The house then extends through this other wing. It is full of light everywhere, and thanks to these doors and big windows, it really feels like we're outside. This is another large living space, and through these steps we get to the upper bedroom. Let me show you. It is incredibly designed with all of this exposed concrete. And on two sides we have these huge windows. Both have a little glass balcony with swimming pool views. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour. This villa is for sure one of a kind. Nestled on a fantastic location in one of the most desirable regions of Italy. I hope you enjoyed it, and before I leave you, please subscribe to our channel for new content every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!